Hello everybody, I have this manual stainless steel coffee grinder. Let's open it up and check out what's inside. I really like the packaging right off the bat. Here we go, comes with a little booklet as well as the product inside in some nice foam. When I took it out right off the bat, I can feel how heavy it is, which is great. It's a nice thick quality stainless steel. Fairly simple, comes with these two pieces. And it looks just beautiful, nice quality, heavy product in the hand. On the bottom here, there's a bunch of numbers inside. You just click it and set it to if you want a more finer grind or not. So you get to set it however you want. You just set this right on top here. Connect the bottom where the grinds are gonna go. And you just turn it, grind the coffee. So it looks like there's 12 different settings here. I'm gonna put it to 6, so it's halfway. I'm gonna put some coffee in and let's test it out. And there you go. Perfectly ground coffee. There you go. Coffee looks perfect. It worked great. So yeah, this thing's gonna be perfect for if you're on the go or you're camping or something like that. You wanna take something with you where you don't have electricity. Yeah, it's a cool little product. It's stunning and very good quality. So definitely check it out for yourself, guys. Very cool product. Definitely recommend it.